Hello guys, come back to the channel. Today we're going to solve this Leetcode question, which is unique number of occurrences. This question we're given an array of integers and we need to return true if the number of occurrences of each value in the array is unique or false otherwise. So if you look at this example, here one is occurring 3 times, two is occurring 2 times, three is occurring 1 time only, right? So these occurrences, these should be unique. These are unique, we need to return true. These are not unique, we need to return false, right? You look at this, one is occurring 1 time, comma, two is also occurring 1 time. So there are two elements which are occurring the same number of times. So we need to return false. So how are we going to solve this question? This is an easy explanation for the question. Find the frequency of all the elements. We just need to find the frequency of all the elements. And if any two elements occur the same number of times, we need to return false, else we need to return true. Here we're going to solve this question in with the help of two approaches. The first approach is, let's assume we are taking this array. The first step is sort the array. When you sort the array, we'll get an array with sorted values, right? So in the second step, we'll just count the frequencies of the array and store it in another array. The array name is frequency, right? So if you look at this, the one is occurring 3 times. So I have stored 3 here, and 2 is occurring 2 times, and 3 is also occurring 2 times. So now again sort the frequency array. Why are we sorting the array means, we can check for duplicates, uh, in the adjacent indexes, right? So if we don't sort the array, what if something like 2 comma 3 comma 2? What if the frequency array is like this? We cannot identify the duplicates, right? So that's why we're sorting the array. When we sort the array, it will become 2 comma 2 comma 3, and we can look for the duplicates in the adjacent indices. So and in the fourth step, we just need to check for duplicates. That's it. We'll just traverse through the array and check for duplicates. If there is any duplicate value, we'll just return false, right? We'll just return false. So let's look at the time complexity. The time complexity is, first we are sorting the array, right? It will take order of n log n, and the second step we are counting the frequencies, right? So it will take order of n, and in the third step we are sorting the frequency array, right? In the worst case it will take order of n log n, and in the fourth step we are again traversing through the array for checking duplicates. It will take order of n, and the space complexity is, since we are using an additional array, we are having a space complexity of order of n. So this is the first approach, and in the second approach we're going to solve by using a hash map. Hash map and a set. Initially, we'll use a hash map and to find the frequency. Let's take this example array and we'll create a hash map by using this array. And if you look carefully, one is occurring 3 times, right? And two is occurring 2 times. Three is also occurring 2 times. So now create a set, create a set, and now traverse through the map. Keep on adding these values instead of the keys into the set. Initially you'll see whether 3 is present in the set or not. It is not present, right? So you'll add 3, and you'll see that whether 2 is present in the set or not. It is not present, so you'll add 2. And when you come to 2, you see that 2 is already present. Means there is another element which occurred 2 times in the array. So you'll return false, right? You'll just return false. So what's the time complexity here? For building the hash map, we'll take order of n, and for again traversing the hash map, we'll take order of n, right? So overall time complexity is order of n. Here the overall time complexity is the worst case, right? Which will be order of n log n, right? And what's the space complexity here? We're using a hash map which will take order of n, and we're using a set, right, which will also take order of n. In the worst case, the set might store each and every element in the array, right? And in the worst case, the hash map will store each and every element in the array. So the worst case, the time complexities will be order of n plus order of n, which will be order of n, right? So that's it, guys, for this video. If you find the video helpful, just hit that like button. Thank you.